setting them in there right now. We're gonna put the corners first. Make sure you always keep these things together. Keep the washers on the end. So we got the corners. So then what I'm gonna do is, get these and work myself into the middle, work my way into the middle. So this is the one that's gonna be the hardest. So, all right, y'all, we're gonna just try to see how it sounds. We're gonna start it up. Okay, moment of truth. This hasn't been started since you've seen it in the last video. So let's see. Let's get the can. All right, I'm kind of scared. Oh, battery not hooked up, so of course I'm not gonna start. Let's hook the battery. Let's hook the battery up. Not gonna start without the battery not being hooked up. Just gonna put the cables on there. Just like this for now. Let me get my fry pan out the way. Remove some of this stuff. This should be fine right here. I'm just gonna make sure all that, everything out the way. All right. So my screwdriver over there. All right. Oh, damn. To break the thing. Here we go. Let's see. Squeaky. See y'all. No white smoke, no black smoke. What do y'all think? There's no smoke or white smoke coming out at all. Sounds a whole lot better. So that filter is clean. Let's take a look. Maybe just a little bit because the oil's burning. A little bit of smoke. And there it goes. Like I said, it's burning oil. Let's try to get real quick, then we're gonna turn this thing off. Yeah, it still conks out. It still conks out. Y'all just seen it. So yeah, that means we're gonna have to let me hook it up real quick. Just open this up. Okay, now let me find where this one connects at. I gotta find where I can connect this one at, y'all. Okay. I'm not seeing it. If y'all see it, let me know. Leave a comment below. I'm not sure where to hook this one up at. Huh. And let's see. Hold on. Guys, let me know if you see it. I was thinking he was gonna check out the new reader tonight, new scanner, but I got it dirty already. Huh. Dang, I got it dirty and touching the floor. It got filthy. Dang, what the heck is? I have to look it up. Again tomorrow, I'm gonna call it a night. Whew, y'all, I'm winded. Got a lot of other stuff to do. Got a busy day tomorrow, so we'll try again tomorrow, you guys. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like, and share our video. And again, subscribe. Till next time. Alright guys, so I've come to the conclusion that this thing definitely is going to need either one or two things. Torque converter or torque converter solenoid. So we'll find out. What do you guys think about that Infiniti G35? You think I should get it? Let me know. Leave a comment. It needs an engine swap. So, and then everything, you saw everything in the front and back and inside needs to be pieced back together. In the front and the back, you saw like the bumper on there needed to be put back on, and then obviously everything under the hood needed to be done. So, all right, let me know what y'all think about the Sentra. What should we do? Should we just? I'm thinking maybe if I'm gonna get if it's the torque converter, I might as well just get a whole new transmission if it's the converter. Torque converter, because that's over $100 unless I find one in the junkyard. So I'm thinking I probably should just get a transmission. That's a whole new transmission for it. Then I don't have to worry about it. After we get it straight, then we'll start on the body work of this thing. I'm still not sure what I want to do, if I want to try to fix this door or if I just want to get a whole door replacement, get a donor. Like maybe I can find one in the junkyard and just replace the whole entire door, because that requires a lot of body work to it. I'd have to weld on some metal and everything to this. So leave a comment, let me know what you think about the passenger door of the Sentra. Should I do like fix it, or should I just do a whole door replacement on it? Because you know we got this right here, this got to get repaired, and then also you see that part that got to get repaired right there. So, and then you got some over here. That whole thing is just rough right there. Gonna require a whole amount of work right there. And this side, not so bad, other than right there in the beginning of the driver door right there. This is actually, you know, savable. So, and then you see some is starting right there, and then you got that down there. So I'm either thinking maybe using some filler on that, and then, you know, and down there, and then we just get some, you know, side skirts, like maybe we can do a body kit. That's what I really want to do. I want to eventually do a body kit on this, but it's a process and it's going to take a long time. Obviously